Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a single Google Chrome autofill form entry. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is launched, navigate to any website that has saved autofill entries. For this example, we'll use facebook.com, but this works on any site where you've previously entered information that Chrome has saved. Now, once you're on the website, click on any field where autofill suggestions typically appear. This could be a username field, email field, or any other input box where you've entered data before. As soon as you click on the field, you'll see a drop-down menu appear below it, displaying all the autofill suggestions that Chrome has stored for that particular field. These are the entries that Chrome automatically fills in when you start typing. To delete a single autofill entry, you have two simple options. The first method is to look for the close icon that appears beside each suggestion. Simply click on this close icon and that specific autofill entry will be removed immediately from your browser's memory. This is the quickest way to clean up individual entries without affecting your other saved information. Alternatively, if you prefer using your keyboard, you can hover your mouse over the autofill suggestion you want to remove. Once your cursor is positioned over the entry, press the Shift-Delete key combination on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut instantly removes that particular autofill entry from Chrome's stored data. Both methods work equally well, so you can choose whichever one feels more comfortable for you to use. And that's it. You've successfully removed unwanted autofill entries from Google Chrome, keeping your saved data clean and relevant. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.